see where Speedy Gonzalez went. He is one happy dog. And I'm going back outside. You crazy dog. Oh my gosh. I can't keep up with you. Well, I'm glad you're happy. I've been sick, so he had to go stay with me. He is one happy dog. Excited that we're out playing. I'm glad. Well, he's fast. There he goes. We decided on a thigh collar for him. I've got to order. It should be good. That way I can track him anywhere nationwide. It is supposed to be the top GPS collar in the world. I was looking at that, and I was looking at another one. I think it was called Smart Collar.